Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can hide and unhide your apps in iOS 18. So guys, if you've just updated your iPhone to iOS 18 and now you don't know how to hide your apps, then this video is for you. So guys, first of all, you just need to go ahead and choose the app that you want to hide. I'm going to choose this one. So just go ahead and long press it till you find these options. So guys, we just need to go ahead and tap on require face ID, which is right above delete app. Tap here and now you'll see even more options that say require face ID and hide and require face ID. We just need to tap on hide and require face ID, and guys, you'll see this option that says hide Viber. Go ahead and tap on hide app. As you can see, you won't be able to find Viber anywhere, so it has been hidden. So now if you want to unhide it, just go ahead and be in this app library right here and scroll down till you find this box with the name hidden. Tap there. You just need to verify your face ID, and now you'll finally see the hidden app. So to unhide it, long press it again and tap on don't require face ID. Once you do so, you have successfully unhidden Viber. So as you can see, it is right here. So guys, that's how you hide and unhide apps in iOS 18. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.